Welcome to the beautiful, the stunning, and the majestic Puerto Rico. Today we have a unique cruise excursion that we wanted to share. Horseback riding. Let's go! Camporico Trail Riders hosts multiple excursions, cruise excursions, and an excursion if you were just visiting Puerto Rico to either horseback ride or ATV ride. And I'll tell you what, we loved the horseback riding. First time ever, and it was great. Let's check it out.
Oh yeah. We're gonna tug and release. Okay? Very light. Okay, we don't need to yank them. Alright? To turn. Left is left, right is right. You're simply gonna, that's the other way. We're gonna go left or right. We're just gonna pull to one side. Okay? Any questions so far? We're good? Alright, we're going to stay in a single file line, no side-by-side riding. Our horses like their personal space just as much as we do. So make sure you guys are in a single file line, one directly behind the other.
The folks here at Campo Rico were just amazing. They helped you in every way. They gave you clear directions, and they made sure that you were good every step of the way. Of course I was nervous. It was my first time. You can see it in my face. Not happy at the moment, but once we got going, and you see that you have full control of these animals, it was really great. It was super relaxing.
And it used to be a sugarcane plantation. Now we're gonna play a quick game called Guess the Plant. Do you guys see the spiky one on the ground there to the right? There's also another spiky one up at the front. Any guesses?
Guava.
Yeah? Not aloe? I'm sorry? Agave. Yeah, we got a couple of drinkers here. Alcoholics. Yeah. Nah, I'm just kidding. But that is a tequila plant, the one you see on the bottle sometimes.
There's those ATVs we were talking about. You could do that as well.
Ostrich?
No, wrong.
Emu?
Emu, yeah. Cockatoos there to the left side in the cage. Sometimes they speak back to you. Most of the time they make me look bad though, so I'm not gonna try. But if you guys want to, you can say hi to them. They're moving around, their heads and everything. One is called, I think, I've been told, I don't know, that one is called Nico, one is called Michi, but I don't know. I don't think they respond to it anyway, so. Yeah, that's called Mikasa, and actually a lot of movies have been filmed here. The most famous one being Black Panther 2. Also Fantasy Island, Neon from Netflix. They also use it as a venue. They do a lot of weddings here. Actually, there's a wedding here like every other weekend, and it's a very old house, like from late 1800s to early 1900s. The number one rule: don't fall. Okay? You ready?
Hey, you watching our video, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate it. It really helps us out. Thank you.
Perla and Aleutian, and sometimes Charlie Brown joins them. Those two, they get well along with Charlie Brown as well.
Did I mention a stop at the Mojito bar? Oh, well, here we go. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book a trip. Get your butt on a cruise and make it down to Puerto Rico. Try some horseback riding. It's different, it's fun, and you're going to love it. Thanks for watching.